Welcome to my channel. I am Anozie, and today I have this beautiful 5-bedroom duplex to show you. Look at how beautiful the building is, with a lot of trees and shade, with a lot of nature right here in this compound. This is a 5-bedroom duplex sitting on an 800 square meter land. The house comes with 3 wells. Of course, you have 24/7 water. Is in an area, is about 5-minute drive to Akanu International Airport, and so you have constant power supply as well. This is the driveway into the compound. You can see endowed with nature. But see this beautiful house, see the planning. This place was built by an architect. I mean, what do you expect? The architect lived in town and decided to sell his house, moving out of Enugu, and decided to sell the house to the next lucky person. The house has this beautiful living room. So once you come into the house, the left steps into this living room. Amazing space, beautiful space with a good tiling. The ceiling is beautiful. So there's the living room downstairs. There's the visitors toilet downstairs. There is a dining area downstairs as well. There are 2 rooms and 2 toilets downstairs as well. And then upstairs on the first floor, there are 2 rooms again there, and toilets and the bathroom in the first floor. And then in the basement, there is another room in the basement. So that made it 5 rooms. So just come with us. Let's show you around. Of course, call us on 00967 37668 for an inspection to this place. First hand inspection. Come and see for yourself. It is sitting right here at New Haven Extension, right in the heart of town. In this, the location is about 5 minutes to the airport, Akanu International Airport. Of course, far enough so that you don't get to be hearing the airport sounds, but close enough to enjoy the constant power supply from the airport. Okay, this is the dining area. You can see how beautiful and cozy this dining area is. The kitchen is to the right there, very spacious kitchen, and has a back door leading to the outside to the back. This is the staircase leading upstairs. There are 2 rooms up there and 2 toilets and bathrooms upstairs as well. Yeah, so that is what the rooms upstairs look like. There are two bedrooms upstairs and 2 toilets. This is the dining area again. And then this house is full of trees and nature. Of course, you can decide to keep it, which I think you should, or you decide to take it out. Either way, this compound, this house sits on an 800 square meter compound. It is a good deal. It is a good buy. Call us today on 08096737668. Let us bring you for an inspection. Look at the back side of this house with a lot of banana and plantain trees right here. Same reason I said this is a good deal. You can either keep these or cut them off. This place has a lot of water. It has 3 wells, 3 functional wells with 3 pumping machines in the wells. Of course, so that means that you have water all year round because the wells never go dry. So 24/7 water, constant power, very close to the tarred road, about 5 minutes drive from the Akanu International Airport, about 8 minutes drive from Opera Square, sitting right in the heart of town at New Haven Extension. Call us today for an inspection. We'll bring you here and enjoy a fantastic day. Expecting your call, and bye for now.